Welcome to another video. This is the last card in this week's Mother's Day series, and I think it's going to be a fun one. This is one meant more towards like a child giving it to the mom. I mean, you could give this to your mom even if she's older and you're older, but that's kind of where my idea was. So today I'm using the Magical Day stamp set. I'm going to be using the cute little mermaid, and I'm going to be cutting her out. I'm using a piece of the Miss and Magic Designer Series paper. This is the one with the bubbles. And then I have a thick Whisper White card base that measures 5.5 by 8.5. I've scored it at 4 1/4. I'm going to go ahead and get this adhered down. I'm going to be using the white from the Miss and Magic Glimmer paper, the same one I used yesterday, to cut out all of the letters, or both M's and the circle. I'm using the same size circle that I used yesterday as well. So, I love when I'm in the middle of making a card and another idea pops in and I can use basically the same materials. That doesn't always happen, but when it does, it's a happy accident. What's that? Serendipity. So, since I'm going to be coloring, I need to stamp my mermaid with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm going to be using the light Bermuda Bay, the light Rich Razzleberry, and then the ivory. Of course, you can do any skin color, any hair color that you want. It's completely up to you. Completely customize it to your mama or to you if you are the mama who is assisting. So I'm going to do a blue tail, purple hair, and then of course an ivory skin tone. And I'm going to start with the skin since it's the lightest. And I'm going to be using the nib, what is this called? I don't know, bullet nib, there we go. Because it's just such a small area. I already have an idea for a Father's Day card using this set too, so you'll see that next week. Okay, so I'm going to bring in the Cornelian framelits to cut her out. The letters and her through my Big Shot, and I will be right back. Okay, so we're going to get these adhered down with liquid glue. Now this has texture, so hopefully, or should I, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and just do mini dimensionals. I'm going to bring in a piece of this shimmer ribbon, and we're going to dye it using the light Rich Razzleberry marker. This is the same marker that we use to color. I feel like it needs something else, and I don't want to do any more stamping because I want to kind of keep this simple. So, give that a second to dry down. I'm going to bring in a piece of our tearing tape because we want a really strong adhesive. About right here. Okay, I'm going to tie this into a knot because I don't have quite enough for a bow, I don't think. Try this with some glue dots. Alright guys, there we go. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed this week of videos as much as I did. I cannot wait to see what we create next week for dads. So as always, make sure that you head over to the blog post, which is linked down below. That's where you'll find, of course, pictures, supply list, brain, April specials, everything like that. So thank you so much for joining me. I will see you guys next week for dad cards. Bye for now.